Bean's boo-boo. One day, baby Bean was running after a ball and fell down. Ouch! His knee hurt. There was a scrape on it. Bean didn't like his boo-boo. He wanted to make it go away. Bean found Kermit on the window seat. "Kermit," he said, "I have a boo-boo. How can I make it go away?" "I think you're supposed to wash it off," said Kermit. "Okay," said Bean. "I'll wash it." So Bean washed off his boo-boo with soap and water. But when he was done, the boo-boo wasn't gone. Bean found Fozzie next. "Fozzie," he said, "how can I make my boo-boo go away?" "Try putting something cold on it," said Fozzie. So Bean put an ice cube on his boo-boo. It felt a little better. It felt a lot colder. But it didn't go away. Along came Animal. "Boo-boo?" he asked, looking at Bean's knee. "Boo-boo," said Bean. "I want to make it go away." "Animal, yell at Boo-boo," said Animal. "Make it go away." Animal took a deep breath. "Go away, Boo-boo," he yelled. "There," said Animal. "All gone?" "It feels a little better," said Bean, "but it's still not gone." Bean went to look for Piggy. "Piggy," he said, "I have a boo-boo." "Would you like me to kiss it?" asked Piggy. "I always kiss my babies when they get a boo-boo." "Yes, thank you," said Bean. So Piggy put a nice piggy kiss right next to Bean's boo-boo. It felt much, much better after that, but it didn't go away. When Nanny saw Piggy kissing Bean's knee, she came over to see what was going on. "Bean has a boo-boo," said Piggy. "Would you like an extra special bandage with stars and rainbows?" Nanny asked Bean. "Yes, please," said Bean. So Nanny put one of her extra special bandage on Bean's boo-boo. It still didn't go away, but at least he couldn't see it anymore. The next couple of days were sunny, and Nanny took everyone to the playground. Bean played so much that he forgot all about his boo-boo. A few days later, Bean's bandage fell off in the bathtub. And guess what? Bean's boo-boo was all gone. It had healed all by itself. It was certainly fine to wash it and put ice on it and yell at it and kiss it and put a bandage on it. But what Bean's boo-boo had really needed all along was a little time to get better. Boo-hoo, boo-boo. Look at Lulu, twirling in her tutu. Shoo, shoo, jump. Shoo, shoo, thump. Oh no, boo-hoo, Lulu's got a boo-boo. There goes Andrew, acting like a choo-choo. Woo-woo, dash. Woo-woo, crash. Oh no, boo-hoo, Andrew's got a boo-boo. Is that Zuzu wearing Mama's muumuu? Oh, oh, skip. Oh, oh, trip. Oh no, boo-hoo. Zuzu's got a boo-boo. Bad, bad boo-boo makes them want to boo-hoo. Ba, ba, skoal. Wah, wah, howl. Everyone feels blue. Then what do they do? Look at Lulu. Wash that nasty boo-boo. There goes Andrew. Smoothing, soothing, goo-goo. Is that Zuzu? Bandage to the rescue. On their elbows, on their knees, they'll get 3 kisses, then a squeeze. And in just a day or two, take a look, they're good as new. Kiss the boo-boo. Oops! Kiss the boo-boo and make it better. Oh! Kiss the boo-boo and make it better. Ow! Kiss the boo-boo and make it better. Oh! Kiss the boo-boo and make it better. Ouch! Kiss the boo-boo and make it better. Arthur's Boo-Boo Book. Uh-oh, Mom told me to watch out for the broken fence. Now you've got a boo-boo. Don't worry, Dr. DW knows just what to do. What to do when you get a boo-boo. Show it to a grown-up right away. The grown-up will take care of it or tell you what to do. See the steps below. There are stickers on the last page of this book to let you practice fixing boo-boos. 1. First wash the boo-boo with soap and water. 2. Put germ killer spray or cream on the boo-boo. 3. Cover the boo-boo to keep it clean. 4. Every boo-boo gets a kiss to help it heal. Ouch! That hurts! Can you help W take care of the scrape on Buster's knee? You forgot your knee pads, Buster. Oh, I forgot the pot holder again. Don't cry, Dad. It's just a little boo-boo. I'll fix it and give you a kiss. What can you do to make Dad's burn feel better? My new running shoes are killing me. Look at that blister. Wash it with soap and water. Then I'll fix it and give you a kiss. Now it's the doctor's turn to get some boo-boo kisses. It's very important and very easy to take care of boo-boos. And remember, every boo-boo gets a kiss, no matter how many boo-boos you have.